Hey guys, it's Delilah. I'm gonna do my makeup today because I'm bored. I've been vlogging a lot. I've been taking pictures, obsessed with my new vlogging camera, and then it broke. So that humbled me. Couldn't vlog anymore. I haven't done a sit down video in a minute, so we're gonna do our makeup. Do I have a story time for y'all? But I can't say it just yet. I got a real big story time coming up. Watch. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be jaw dropped. I already prepped and primed my skin, primed with my Refi, put my hair in a ponytail. Oh, because I'm gonna get my hair done in 2 days. Bitch, I'm gonna get it sewn. Oh my God, you guys are gonna see. So let me tell you guys really quick about my camera, like what's going on with that. So if you guys watched my last vlog, at the very end, I looked very defeated because I was at the post office sending my camera back to Canon because it just stopped working. So when I was vlogging, I was taking a walk in the park, and that's when the problem started to happen. I would start to record, everything's going great, and then I noticed that the screen is frozen. Immediately, I just got shook. It just marked a month of me having this camera, like this shouldn't be happening. I tried recording again in the car and it was recording fine, it wasn't freezing. I'm like, okay, so it's still working, let's finish our walk. It starts happening again while we walk. I'm like, oh my God, what is going on? Like, this camera is bringing me pure happiness. It cannot break within a month. Like, I need this camera. We go back inside. I just give the camera a break and then I try it again the next day. So I get up early in the morning. I think I was gonna film a get ready with me on TikTok and it just started freezing. I was so pissed off. So then I contacted Canon, told me to send it over. I send it over and apparently it's an issue for them to fix for free, even though my boyfriend got warranty on it because the model that he got was a UK model. There was nothing indicating that it was a UK model when he bought it. So they were charging us about $600 to get it fixed. And then they were saying, if you don't want to pay that, contact the person that you got it from, which was Walmart. Then we contacted the secondary party. It was a lot of shit, okay? We reached out to them, cool, and they told us that we can send it to them, no problem. When I got it back from Canon, I left the camera alone until we contacted the other company. And girl, they were telling us everything that Canon was instructing us to do. And he's like, try it again to see if it's just happening when you're taking pictures or if it's just happening when you're recording. Bitch, it completely stopped. It magically stopped. It works. My camera's fine. I asked the guy, I'm like, how long do I have just in case this happens again? And he told me a year, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see. That's what's been going on. Like, I was on a high when I got the camera. Seeing the camera betray me like this, I've been nothing but good. I never dropped you. I never got you wet. I didn't put you in extreme weathers. You were working perfectly fine in Jamaica, bitch. I love you. Don't ever do that again. I'm looking over there because she's sitting right there. And when I made that face, when I pulled this out, this is the Patrick Ta foundation. Have you guys been like, ooh, catching up with the tea on that? Obviously, as you can see, I'm not gonna stop using the products that I already have. Like, I like them, I'm not gonna lie. My friend, she actually sent me a video of what was going on. I had no idea. I'm just like, holy shit. I have a whole dedicated video to this foundation saying how much I absolutely love it and this is going on. I watched the video and I'm just like, why is she breaking all of his products? I'm like, oh, he didn't pay her. When I found that out, I was like, ooh, that's f***ed up. That's not a good look if you were supposed to pay this creator or whatever. I was watching other videos on it and there were other creators that didn't get paid as well. But the one thing, see, I don't want nobody to come for me. But the one thing that I'm starting to realize is that even though, you know, they're not getting paid, when they're talking about getting reached out from Patrick Ta, they're not talking about money. They're talking about celebrating you. They're talking about giving you free product to try. Like, look, obviously, if Patrick Ta was to send me a whole bunch of things, I'll be so freaking grateful. They reached out to me and told me, hey, we're gonna gift you these things. I'm gonna say yes. A gift is something for free. A sponsorship is completely different. So where I'm getting confused at is the Patrick Ta team offering sponsorships to these creators and they're not getting paid, or are they reaching out to them saying, hey, these are gifted, do whatever you want as you please? Because if they're just gifting it to me and I don't even have to make a video, give it to me. The fuck? And it's like, I'm not gonna feel no type of way if I don't get paid because they told me from the jump that it was a gift. So that's something that I don't understand about this whole thing. It's like, who's supposed to be getting paid? Who are the people that's getting gifted? You know, it just doesn't make any sense. What was crazy is that I watched his apology video and it just looks so bad that he accidentally uploaded the wrong one, deleted it, and uploaded a second one. Honestly, if one would have went up, I would have just left it there. I don't care. People are saying like, oh, he's fake and da-da-da-da-da. Like, I'm not on nobody's side. When it comes to things like this, I'm very neutral about it. I try to see both sides. If I had to apologize about something that I f***ed up with, I'm gonna make sure I get that video right. I wanna make sure that I don't have to edit so much out. Like, I'm gonna write everything down because I don't wanna be like, I'm gonna try my best to make the perfect video because I really made someone feel some type of way. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on using my products because I paid for it. Nobody sent me none of this shit. All right, we're gonna set our face now. I've been super obsessed with this Mario powder. It's so good. So in conclusion to that topic, don't be putting like your entire trust into these brands because you just never know. If you're trying to become like a hair influencer, that's cool and everything, but you see how Ekane be treating these brands? Like, she be disrespecting them. She does what she wants to do. She gives them her rules because they play with you. If they see that you're beasting to be an influencer and you want collabs and you want to make money off of this, they will take advantage of you. You need to put your foot down and this is my budget. This is when I'm gonna upload. You're not a slave to them. There was a point that I was working with hair companies with multiple at a time. I was getting sent wigs like damn near every month and I was getting paid for it, yes. When they don't fucking need you anymore, they will forget about you like that. When you're trying to contact them about payment, because when it comes to getting paid for a certain video, they're good on that. They pay you. But when it comes to the commission, check, that's the issue that they have. That's the miscommunication that you have. Why the fuck are you taking forever to respond to my messages? Hey, I want to see how much I have racked up on my commission check. Ghost. And they will completely disappear on you. So now what I do when it comes to certain brands, if I really like it and I don't care about the money, yes, give it to me. I do this for a living. I love creating content. If a brand wants to send me clip-ins and I need new clip-ins, give me the clip-ins. All they need is a little 1-minute video. Ooh, it just depends on what it is. You know, if you guys are asking for a lot, run me my coin first. I'm not gonna do this for free, feel me? But if it's something small, like, oh, we're gonna send you a makeup bag, oh, we're gonna send you, and just do like one video. I don't give a if I really like the brand, give me that give me it all. Give me all the PR, give me the gifts, give it to me, Because at the end of the day, you sending me these products, I'm still gonna make money reviewing these products, even if you don't give me money. So just be smart when it comes to these brands. I love this powder so much. This is the Kosas peach powder, the peach brightening powder. So pretty. So when I don't have my brightening powder, I use my Hindash eyeshadow palette because it's like a multi-use palette. You can use it for eyeshadow, powder, bronzer, blush. It's so cool. I'm gonna just do this. I don't know. I just want it really bright. I feel like I'm putting on too much powder. I look very matte and I don't like it. Morphe. Oh my God, I'm running out. And I don't live next to an Ulta. I live so far away from Ultas. Now let's do bronzer. This is just my go-to bronzer, my Hourglass. I don't like to be super matte anymore. I love radiance. Oh, you know what I want to try? The Huda Beauty. Ooh, I think it's called Coco Loco blush bronzer thing. Ooh, that color. Did you guys see China's new song?
I'm pegging that man at the back of the bus. Oi, mate!
That beat goes so mother hard. Love that bitch. Yes, we look nice and dewy now. This is what the I'm talking about. Now we're gonna put on some blush. This is so crazy because okay, I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta blush palette. I'm gonna go in with I want to mix pink with a peach. I want like a pinky peach and just put that right on top of my yes. So we're gonna use this Makeup Forever palette. I feel like as long as you have like a cream highlight, you won't look so matte. This Merit brow pencil is so good. When I use this brow pencil, I feel like I never make a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna do the other brow. I'll be right back. Again, I'm gonna be using another Patrick Ta product, but I'm gonna use these two light shades, mix them together, and I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. Cause I low-key kind of forgot who I was. It's like, bitch, I'm the soft glam girly. Like, I could put a face on. And lately, I've been into this very soft look lately. I'm gonna take that beige shade on its own and put this all over my eyelid. Why do I feel like I'm about to give like a winter 90s vibe right now? Do I look crazy? Ooh, I look crazy on that monitor. These gray tones here. Damn, I forgot how long eyeshadow takes. Jesus. Go in with that next dark gray shade and just focus it like right here. Maybe go even deeper with the darker one. All right, this looks cute as fuck. Now we're gonna go in with Danessa Myricks Milky Way Color Fix eyeshadow. Take a little bit of that excess off it on my lid. We're gonna use the House Labs eyeliner. I'm so excited to try this because it was sold out and my friend got it for me. Thank you, friend. Oh, this is dark. Okay, so it's kind of dry, but in a good way. It's dry in a good way. You see how when you use liquid liners like this that comes in a pen form, they're very wet and you can easily mess up. This texture kind of reminds me of like a gel liner. Like, China, why did you scam me? I only wanted your money. Good shit, Lady Gaga. Good shit. I'm going to go in with a matte white and just put it right here. I'm going to go ahead and use these beautiful lashes, Allure lashes. These are from the Doll's Chair. This is how they look. If you want like that beautiful foxy feline eye, you should definitely try these lashes. It will definitely give you that look. This is the Tartelette Tubing Mascara. I freaking love this mascara. Oh no. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't put lashes on in a long time. I've been on the cluster wave. Oof, these lashes are it. When you buy lashes, they're usually short in the inner corners and they flare out the ends, but this is like a really dramatic flare at the end. Like, you could definitely see the difference. Oh my God. And they're only $14 and you could reuse them so many times. I've really been liking this Too Faced lip liner. I wanted to get like a medium brown. Since I like this formula, I want to get it in another color. For a little bit of definition, this is MAC Night Moth. I'm like very light, very light with it because this is a dark color. My favorite Charlotte Tilbury lip plumper. So good. I love her so much. If you're gonna wear this out, make sure you get your one size setting spray. That's very important. You need a finishing spray. You need a fixer spray. All I used today was setting spray to melt the makeup into my skin because, like I said, I don't like that matte look. And yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna take some pictures.